Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is Nursing Foundation and today we are going to discuss about health and illness continuum. Now, this health and illness continuum is used to measure the person's perceived level of wellness. Like in a simple words, this health and illness are the two components of health continuum. Both will be present in two different extreme ends, and it gives you an idea that how the level of individual health, whether it is improving towards health or it is decreasing towards illness. Because if you improve towards health, that means person will pursue the good health wellness. If it is move towards the illness, then that may leads to death. Now this health and illness continuum is used to assess the same thing. This will help us to assess the health or illness level of an individual. Now here we can learn main two models. In health and illness continuum, we can learn the two models. In that first, one is the model which is given by Dunn, D-U-N-N, Dunn High Wellness Model. Now this model is called as Dunn High Wellness Model. Now this model is explained with environmental axis and health axis. Now these two axes will give an idea about health and wellness. Now in environmental axis, you are having a very unfavorable environment and very favorable environment. Then in health axis, we can see a peak wellness and death. Oh, sorry, I hold it ulta, I feel. Okay, now it is clear. See, very unfavorable. Okay, in this Dunn model now, see, very a favorable environment which explained followed with a very unfavorable environment, peak wellness and peak death. Now very favorable environment means where the individual lives in a condition where he is maintaining a good health style, as well as the environment which will support his health, like he is having a good physical environment, social environment, good psychological environment, good nutritional food, everything. So he is able to improve his health from health to good health. So he is moving towards the good health status. Then here very unfavorable environment, that means here person has got and all the ideas about the health and wellness, but unfortunately because of his work environment or environmental condition, he is not able to maintain that. Maybe a person is not able to maintain a good sleep because of his job, like he is doing a night duty, because of that he is not able to sleep on time, he is not able to get a proper sleep as well as proper food. Okay, now here a peak wellness to death. Here what happened when the individual having a peak illness, in the sense he is suffering with the problem. Unfortunately, his environment is a very good, favorable environment. Now what happened? Though he is suffering with the problem, he is able to get the care, some kind of favorable environment which help him to gain a good health. So he is recovering from his illness. Now, same person with illness with unfavorable environment. A person is having illness, along with that the environment is not so good. So, definitely he moved towards the death. Like I can give an example where maybe a child suffering with some problem, some health issues, maybe a nutritional problem. Meantime, the child is experiencing starving, some kind of flood or earthquake conditions where natural disaster in environment. Now because of that, again health will goes to the poor state. So these are the two important extreme ends of health and illness, which is explained by Dunn's high wellness model, where important two axes, environmental axis and health axis, which explains the four aspects, like individual health with very favorable environment, health with unfavorable environment, illness with favorable environment, illness with unfavorable environment. So this will give an idea that how individual will improve his health from health to good health, or how he can develop his health to ill health, or from illness to wellness and illness to death, how he can move. Okay, now next model is explained by Travis illness model. Travis illness wellness model. Now this model is given by Travis and Ryan. So they explain that the health and illness are the two different extreme ends of same point. Now here both health and illness will meet here in the middle. This is called neutral point. Now here your health and illness will be two different extreme ends of a same scale, where it starts from this neutral point. If you are moving towards the health wellness, that means you are having a awareness, knowledge about the health, so that leads to that you are having a good education about your health and your healthy lifestyles practices. Then that moves towards a condition where you are able to acquire the knowledge, where you can have a growth. Now that finally leads to health wellness. When you follow this right side, then what happens, you are moving towards your health wellness model. Now what happens, if you see this left, you are moving towards this negative side, death or illness, where person experience the sciences at the beginning, then he want to take some investigation or treatment, then he'll experience the symptoms, then he experience, though he's taking some medication, it's not in favor, then he may experience disability. So finally that leads to death. So here from the neutral point of illness, you may move to the premature death, or from the high level of health, because of unfavorable conditions, lack of knowledge, awareness, you may move to the death. Maybe you are in a stage of illness or experiencing symptoms, along with the help of your knowledge, education and growth, you can move to the wellness. So this is explained with the help of this Travis illness wellness model. So these are the important two health and illness continuums. You can expect 5 marks question on that. In case if you get a question on this, definitely you can write these two models: Dunn's high level wellness model, wellness continuum, and Travis illness wellness continuum. So these two will give a right idea about health and illness. I hope you understood. Please keep watching. I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.